Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Canva bulk creation by using Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in Chrome from there, or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Simply go to that browser and then you have to simply type in www.canva.com and open up the login page of Canva. Simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put in your login credentials there, what I need to do is simply open up the file that you would like to do the bulk creation. And here in the left hand side of apps, just click on the apps from here, and here you have to simply type in the bulk creation and click on the enter. And after that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see there are lots of options that you can do. Again, we can type in the bulk create option from here. Here you can see that we're typing the bulk create, and here you can see the bulk create option is already showing here. Just simply click on it, and here you have to click on the upload data or enter data manually, that whatever you want. And also for the premium version you can also use the HubSpot, Google Analytics, statistics data, or whatever you want. So just simply click on the enter data manually, and here you can see there are lots of options you can choose here. You can also add data. Let's say I like to data an FFF, then here you click on the done, and here you can see that all the data is already showing here. So you can just simply do this accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.